Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for all our viewers tonight. Good evening. Thank you. Yan po. Good evening sa lahat. Thank you so much for our viewers tonight. And for tonight, we will be learning more on permutation and combination, unless otherwise merong ibang um, mag comment of another topic. Yes. Other than that, we will stick with permutation and combination. Ayun. Let me just thank you so much for our two viewers tonight. Cool. We will start in a few minutes. We will see if teka muna po ah. Ayan po. Yes. Tun, turun, dun, 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 dun. Ay. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. There you go. Thank you so much for our viewers tonight. So, our topic for tonight will be on permutation and combination. Sorry, permutation and combination. And when we speak of, parang lumalaki na ako. I'm getting bigger and bigger with my clothes. When we speak about permutation and combination, that means that we are talking about the probability or the possibility of a certain set of things or set of events to happen. Cool. All right. So, um, cool na muna tayo tonight. So it will be oh my. Permutation and combination. Thank you for our four viewers tonight. Okay. So, teka muna ha. Medyo makati yung lalamunan natin. Okay, so we will be discussing about permutation and combination. And when we talk about permutation and combination, let's say, for example, you have a shirt. A shirt should have a two-digit number. Let's take this as an example. And the six possible digits that can be on the shirt is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. There's a 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are six possible digits, and the shirt could have only two digits. So how many different numbers can you have? So this will be a 6 times 6, which is 36. So six possibilities for the first digit and six possibilities for the second digit. So suppose double digits are not allowed. You have one of each number to be taken out. So you select two, and then you cannot select two on the second number. So this will be 6 times 5. That will be 30. So this is what we call um, the probability of this kind of numbers. So when we talk about probability, this is factorial number. Um, Sorry. When we talk about probability on permutation and combination, there will be order or no order, or order matters or order does not matter. So we will talk about, first thing will be on permutation. Okay, so when we speak about permutation, the order matters. All right. So the number of ways that one can select two items from a set of six with ordering that matters, with the order that is called permutation. So the number of permutation of two items selected from six will be 6 times 5, that is a 30. Or if you use your calculator, if we have this, if you have your scientific calculator, there is what you call an NPR or NCR on a shift, shift case. So permutation will be N in your calculator. This will be NPR. Okay, that will stand for permutation. So for 6 times 5 or 30, this will be in your calculator. N is the number of events, so that's 6. P and R is the number of or repeat sorry, the number of times an event can happen. So that's 2 times. So 2 selected. So that's 6P2. So let's say, for example, um, if you have, let's say, a festival where you can only feature 3 different bands. Okay, let's say you can only feature 3 different bands, and there's 7 bands in total. So there are 7 bands in total, and so you were asked how many different programs are possible. So you can only feature 3. So since there is an order of either this band, the second band, and you're the third band, and then another band, and this band, and then another band. So your solution, since there is an order, this will be 7P3, which is when you actually do a factorial for this will be 7 times 6 times 5. That will be 210. Okay, so this is not the same as asking how many ways are there to choose 3 bands from 7. That's a different thing. So if you are to express 7P3 or 7P6, 7 is your starting factor, or this is the total number of events that you can choose from. And then 6 is your R, or the number of bands that you can have, or the number of events. So in terms of factorial notation for permutation, so if you would like to solve it using the factorial notation, let me just show you. So NPR, or let's have the other example, 7P3. let's say 7p3. So this is 7 times 6 times 5. Okay, so that is your 7 factorial. So what would it be over with? So if you have this, um, then you will have on the bottom part. Okay, so this one, if this is 7p3, this will be 20, sorry, 7 factorial 20 over 7 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so then you can solve it. Another example, you have 20p3, so this will be a 20 factorial over 20 minus 3 factorial, or that's 20 factorial over 17 factorial. So the other way of doing this as well will be 20 times 19 times 18. Okay, so that is how your factorial notation for permutation is. Again, the order of this permutation is, it does matter. All right, so that is your permutation. Any questions so far? Yes. Thank you for our 4 viewers tonight. Mga silent viewers natin. Okay. So permutation again will be NPR, or if this is in terms of, wait, let me just erase it. So if this is in terms of the factorial notation, NPR would be n factorial over n minus r factorial. Why am I not writing it correctly? Okay, so that is your permutation. The other one that you have would be a combination. Let me just erase this because we don't have space. Okay, we will write it back again later. If we talk about combination, the order does not matter. Okay, so let's say for example the department, or in any form, there are 7 faculty members, and 3 must attend the graduation ceremonies. So since 3 must attend the graduation ceremonies, that means that how many different groups of 3 can you have? So if order matters, this will be, if the order matters, so you choose one from the 7, and if you have chosen one of which, then the next one is 6, and then the next one is 5. That is 210, because the order matters. That means that you cannot repeat anything that you have used. So, but if you have, um, let's say in 7, it's by 3, right? So you can have ABC, ACB, BCA, BAC, CAB, CBA. So you will have 6 different sets of professors. So that will be actually a 3 factorial, which is a 6 possible arrangement of 3 people. So since if you would recall, if you have an NP1 or 0 factorial, that will give you a 1. So for 3, that will be 3 factorial, means 3 times 2 times 1, that is a 6. So hence, if you are using the order, the permutation, then that will only be a 3 factorial. Okay, but for a combination, you will have an C, so NCR. So in your calculator, that will be somewhere on the bottom part, if you have the same calculator as mine. So NCR and NPR. So that is for the number of distinct combination of 3 professors, we use NCR, because when we say C, or combination, that means that three objects are chosen from a set of seven. Okay, of seven. So you take three out of your seven, and then that will be your combination. So this will be a 7C3. So 7C3, this will be 35 ways. Now, how do we do that in terms of factorial? So if a combination, if a permutation, sorry, permutation, you have NPR, or this would be an n factorial over n minus r factorial. For combination, it will be an NCR, and then if in terms of factorial, this will be n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So there is an r factorial on, or the combination of your different set of groups. Okay, so just a quick tip: the combination or sequence of three numbers on your combination lock is not a combination. All right, because order matters there. Though it says combination numbers, no, it will be your in terms of, sorry, in terms of the word itself, because order matters in your combination, the lock. Okay, so let's just practice a few numbers in terms of combination and permutation. So I'll give you a set of numbers, and then you do a combination for this, and then the next set you do permutation. Okay, so again, it's NPR or NCR. All right, so NPR will be n factorial over n minus r factorial. Combination will be n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So if you have 8C2, 8C6, and 10C4, so you can use your calculator. Sorry. Oh, I don't have a voice. Wait, wait, wait. Sorry. Thank you for our 5 viewers tonight. So sorry about that. I actually forgot to plug in my laptop. Um, and I just saw that it's low in battery. Cool. Yes. So, all right. So moving on. Wait a while. Okay. So if you are asked how many ways to have a full house with six over. So these are just examples of a permutation. Hi, good evening. Okay. So let's go through another combination problem. So how about word problems about that, man? Katong boxes. Boxes. Mm, boxes. What do you mean by boxes? What boxes are you talking about? So again, permutation is having distinct objects is in order, and then combination is it doesn't require ordering. So it will be NPR or NCR for a permutation or combination. So for example, you have a club. A club has 25 members. Okay. So question is, how many ways are there to choose four members of the club? So if you are to choose four members to form your committee, that means order here is not important, because um, when will order be important in this type of question is if it will ask how many ways are there to choose a president, a vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer. Okay. But if it just say like a four-member committee or any four members chosen, then this is a combination question. So this will only be NCR. That will be the N is 25, which is the number of members, and then you need four members of a club. So 25 is CR. Let me just use my calculator. 25 CR. Then this will be 1,200, 12,650 ways. Okay, to that is the number of ways that you can put together four members of a committee. But if the question would tell you that how many ways can you choose president, vice president, VP, secretary, and treasurer. Okay, so if you have a president, um, a vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer, then this will be a permutation because order matters. So that will be 25P4. Okay. So 25P4, this will be 303,000. 303,600. Yes, it's 25P4. Okay, so if there is a required ways to do it in terms of, I mean, if required order, then you do permutation. If not, then it's a combination. All right, cool. Let's look for another example. I actually don't have much example here. Let me see. Let me check. Okay. All right. Wow, nice blouse, mom. Thank you. Okay, so do you understand now, Maha Blanca? Combination and permutation. So another example of permutation, this I'll just copy this one because it's here anyway. Let me see if I can get it from okay, so if again, if order does not matter, it's combination. If order matters, it's a permutation. So that is the easiest way to actually do your permutation is use your calculator, and this is based on the factorial as well. Okay, let me look for just an example. All right, so let's say for example, we're using you have 8 people, so you have 8 people, and how many ways can you award first, second, and third? Okay, from your 8 people or 8 contestant. So we're going to use permutation here because the order matters. Okay, because if you have a first place, of course that person who's already in first place cannot be on the second place, or that person in second place cannot be on third place or first place. So that's the reason why your order matters. So the gold medal, if let's say you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, and you have chosen A to be a gold medalist, then you cannot choose A anymore for your second place. So you have to remove A from the list of people. So if you have a permutation of this, then it will be 8P3. because you have first, second, and third. So then the other way of 8 times 7 times 6, this will be 336. The other way of doing this as well is just 8 times 7 times 6. So that means that on the first set you can choose from the 8 people. The second set you can choose 7 people. The third set you can only choose from the 6 people left for the third place. So that is what we meant by permutation. Okay. Okay, cool. But if the question was just to pick 3 people from a group of 10, so that will only be 10C3. So the combination of picking up, but if you would say that it should be the vice, the president, or the treasurer, then you use permutation. So basically that's how it should be. Okay, so that is your permutation and combination. Thank you for our 7 viewers tonight. Questions so far? Do you understand now, Maha Blanca? Thank you so much for dropping by. Don't forget to like and share as well. Maha Blanca. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. Are there any other question with regards to permutation and combination? So again, you can always use your calculator to solve it, and that will be your combination and permutation. Okay, so let's try another example. I'll just copy the ones on. Hi, Simply Me. Hello. Okay, cool. All right. So let's say, for example, there is a train whose 7 seats. So there's 7 seats that are kept empty. And so how many ways can 3 passengers sit on the 7 seats? Okay. So since it's a 7-seater and you have only 3 passenger, so that means that if one passenger, so how would you identify whether it's a permutation or combination that you would use? You have to think of, okay, if I'm the passenger and I'm already sitting on this seat, can another passenger sit on where I'm sitting now? So since another passenger cannot sit on that space that you are taking, therefore you have to do permutation. That means that the order matters. So then you say NPR, that will be 7P3. So 7P3, that will be 210. Again, the other way of doing this will be 7 times 6 times 5. Okay, so that will be your 210. So that is your permutation. Another example of permutation is, let's say you have how many ways can 4 people out of 10 women can be chosen, okay, as team leaders? All right. So since this is uh, team leaders, so then you will have 10p4. Because if you have chosen one, then you cannot choose that person anymore, right? So you have taken one out of the 10. So that means that the next round you have only 9 people left. And then the next round you have only 8 people left. So 10p4, that will be uh 5040. So 5040 ways. Okay. So how do you go about it? When would you know what to use? You have to think, okay, if I have chosen one, will I be able to use it again? So if you have used it already, then you cannot use it again. Um, that would be then a permutation. Another example, let's say you have 7 people and you are to organize, okay? The word organize or ranking, these are permutation, meaning there is an order in a row. So if you are to organize 7 people in a row, that means that if I am on the first part of the row, I cannot be the second or the third, correct? So it's either I'll be the first now, or I'll be on the second, or I'll be on the third, or I'll be on the fourth. So you cannot be on one thing at a time. So then you will use permutation, which is 7p7, because you are to arrange the 7 people. So then this will be 7p7. That will be 5040 as well. Okay. So that is again permutation. So what would be the combination then? Let's say if you have 3 dress with different colors, red, yellow, and white. So if you're asked, find a different combination you get if you have to choose 2 of them. Okay. Choose 2 from the 3 dress. So since you are to choose 2, that means you have to take 2. So it's either I'll take a red and a yellow, or I can take a yellow and a white, or I can take a red and a white, or I can take a yellow and a red. So it doesn't really matter which one to take first. So then you do a combination, because the order doesn't matter. I can choose a red first and then a yellow next, or I can choose a yellow next and then a red after. So then NCR, this will be 3C2. 3C2 will be a 3. Okay, so in 3 different combinations, you can get any 2 of them. Red and yellow, that's 1. Yellow and red, yellow and red, red and white, white and red, or yellow and white, white and yellow. So there are 6 of them. Okay, sorry, 3 of them, 3 of which. So that is your combination. So another one would be, will we play? Yes, we can play if we have enough players. Okay, so let's say for example, a box of crayons having red, blue, yellow, and orange, green, and purple. So you have red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and purple. So how many unlike ways can you use to draw only 3 colors? 3 colors. So what's the chance of using 3 colors? So this is 6 choose 3 problem. So 6C3. So 6C3, that will be 20 different combinations of your color. Okay, so if you have chosen red, blue, yellow, or um, blue, red, yellow, or yellow, orange, green, or yellow, purple, blue, and so on and so forth. So there are 20 ways of putting them together. Okay. So as I have mentioned, if the question is how many different five-person committee can be elected from a 10 people, that is a combination. Okay, because the order doesn't matter. But if you are to ask a question, how many different ways can a five-member committee where you have the president, vice president, treasurer, secretary, PRO can be elected from 10 people, then that will be a different way of doing things. Okay. Cool. Any questions so far? Thank you for our 7 viewers tonight. If there's no question, then we play. But do we have enough players who play with us? Who can play with us? Sorry. Maha Blanca? Yes. Yay. Okay. All right. Cool. Which game would we play? Okay. Which game? Which game? So for those who would like to join, this is what we call Jackbox. So in your browser, you just need to type jackbox.tv. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, there you go. Thank you for 7 viewers. Which one? Which one? Which one? Turut, 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 turut. Dun, 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 dun. Hurry up, Maha Blanca. Hurry up. Gaspinage or TKO? For those who just came in, we are already at the end of our live stream. We will play one game of Jackbox, whether it's a trivia murder party. Hi, Ambery. Good evening. Thank you for our 8 viewers tonight. It's either trivia murder party, gaspinage, faking it, TKO. By the way, for those who would like to check out Jackbox games, these are all family friendly games. It needs a monitor, it needs something like this for you to be able to play. You only need a browser to play it. However, this is not free. So yes, but you only pay one time, okay, to buy the quick flash download. Quick flash, okay, quick flash. Quick flash. Let's go. Quick flash. Play. What's up? What's up? That is me. Oh my goodness. I'm yawning like. Thank you for our 8 viewers tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's join. Let's join. Imagine Lawson. Imagine Lawson. Who is Imagine Lawson? Imagine Lawson. Imagine Lawson. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm giving you 2 minutes to join. 2 minutes. 2 minutes only. Imagine Lawson. Who is Imagine Lawson? Can you please comment who Imagine Lawson is? It's Imagine Losing. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, cool. Is it only the 2 of us, Ambery? Ruth. Who's Ruth? Any other person of interest who would like to join? Thank you for our 8 viewers tonight. Okay. All right. Wait. 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 Dun, dun. Thank you for our 8 viewers again. If you want to join, please do. If you want to join, please do type in your browser jackbox.tv and then put that room code, which is SUFE, and your name, and then you can join. That's all. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Joker in the house. All right, everybody's in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Anyone coming in? 4, 3, 2. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and here we go. Everybody's in. Let's go.
Welcome to Quiplash. The voice you hear belongs to me, Josh Schmitty-Schmidstenstein. I want each of you to give 110%. I got a lot of money on this. Time for round 1. 2 prompts will appear on your device, which you can answer in any clever or not clever way you want.
Sure.
Everyone will choose between your answer and someone else's and decide who wins. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winner's bonuses at stake.
Okay.
Go.
Ta-da-da-dan. 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 Thank you for 8 viewers. Dun, 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 dun.
These better be good.
Better
Up first,
be.
something an overexcited fan would yell at a tense dog show.
Ooh. Wag
Okay,
that
choose your
tail.
favorite.
Yes, teach him doggy. Wag that tail.
Next on the list, the most pointless volunteer work would be helping the blank.
Would be helping the
Put in your
reach.
votes.
Pointless. It's pointless. It's pointless. Nice one. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, imagination. Imagination? Now I'm calling you imagination.
Moving on. A good sign your mechanic is ripping you off is that he says you need a new blank.
You need a new mechanic. You need a
Okay,
new.
vote.
Oh my goodness. Nasayop dagway pag-read. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Nice one. Winner.
Coming up next, something you don't want to
Want to hear from the skydiving
strapped to your
instructor.
bag. Ready, set, vote.
Huh? Oh. Oh. Quick flash. Joker. Oh, it's a tie. 50%.
That's it for round one. Let's bring up the scoreboard.
Wow, imagine losing. I don't even understand, but imagine losing. Okay.
All the points should be
All right.
doubled. Have I got the round for you?
Okay, cool. Let's go. Dun. Nice one.
Okay, it's time for some quiplashing.
All right,
The
let's
first
go.
prompt is the
The
quickest way to get out of a conversation
is to look at the clock and say,
blank.
and say what? It's time for me to
Okay,
walk
voting
my
time. Pick
fish.
your
Oh,
favorite.
somebody's waiting. Yeah, no, I missed. I voted the wrong person. I voted the wrong person. Nice one. Nice one.
Next in the hopper, a really dumb name for a barber shop.
Shop
Time to
for
vote.
hair. What? I don't understand. Shop for hair. Okay. All right. Let's see. Joker. Thank you, Joker. Nice one.
Next,
Something you don't want to find in your grandpa's tool shed. Your dog. A fake tooth. Your dog and fake tooth. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Haha, Mom voted for Ruth for the first question, which she meant was me. Really? She voted for the wrong one. She voted for the wrong one. Yes, I voted for the wrong one.
Something you wouldn't expect to hear from a Subway sandwich artist.
Something you wouldn't expect to hear from a Subway sandwich artist. Color your. What is Subway sandwich artist? Color your hair. I don't understand, but yeah.
That's it for round 2. Let's see those scores.
Let's see. Let's see. Yay! It's me.
It's round 3, the last lash. I've got one prompt left, and you're all.
I wanted to walk the fish. I wanted to vote for the walk the fish.
Come up with the phrase this acronym stands for.
I actually don't know what to answer, but yeah. I'm confused.
Let's see the responses. It's round 3, and you've got 2 medals to award, a gold and a silver. Make your picks.
Sorry. I'm burping. No, I'm hiccuping. Let's go. It's supposedly full name. Leput Mantika Mian
Okay, everyone, let's see who got those medals. Show me the silver and gold. All right, let's turn.
I don't know.
Hard points.
1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Joker. I think Joker will win. I think Joker wins.
It's over. Let's see the
over.
final scores.
And I think Joker wins. Ah! I won. Nice game. I won. Nice game. Wow. Congratulations. All right, and congratulations to myself. Thank you, Maha Blanca. Thank you, Ambery, for joining. We miss Colonel. Colonel is a bit busy, as what she told me. So I hope she will be able to join us next time. Anyway, thank you so much for our 6 viewers tonight. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Congratulations, man. Congratulations to myself. And that ends our live stream here in our YouTube channel. I'll see you next week. Same time, same channel, same teacher here. Yours truly, Teacher Maria, for another online tutorial for maths and science. Please do prepare your topics so that we can discuss them together. Good night, everyone, and God bless po sa lahat. See you next week. Have a good week ahead. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. God bless. Thank you.